look, I'm not sure in specific conversations or requests. I saw some reports of 100,000 workers replacing other workers there. I haven't heard any of those things. I'm not aware of any specific figure or request. But since you asked on the larger topic, as you are aware, we have been working with towards giving our citizens access to the global workplace. You heard External Affairs Minister talk about this issue. In this regard, we have been in discussion on trying to get into mobility agreements with a number of countries. Such frameworks or agreements ensure that our people are treated fairly, their rights are protected, and they are not discriminated against. In fact, if you remember just now, External Affairs Minister was in Italy, and an understanding was concluded then. With Israel, there are already a number of Indian workers employed there, especially in the caregiver sector. Since, I think, 2022, we have been discussing a bilateral framework in the construction and caregiver sectors. But this is a long-term initiative, and I'm not, as I said, aware of any specific requests or numbers that have been floating around. So that's what I would like to mention here.